We open the Mirkab web app, and today we are going to explain how to lock letters and words. This tool is very important and helps us a lot when combining words. It allows us to lock certain words and letters because otherwise these words might interfere with the work. All right, I will open one of my previous projects. First, I will show you the problem. Here, if I want to select the fatha symbol, the word la does not allow me to select it. Look, I am now clicking on the fatha symbol, but the word la prevents me from selecting it. In this case, we need to use the locking tool. When we say that the word la is in our way, it means that it becomes selected, which prevents me from selecting the fatha symbol. In this situation, a red frame appears around the word la because it is selected. As soon as this happens, we press the lock button. Now the word la is locked. Look, the color of the frame around the word has changed to gray, meaning it no longer interferes with our work. Now we can easily select the fatha symbol or select and move any other word inside the word la. After finishing the work, we can unlock the word la if necessary. To do this, we press this button to unlock the word la. Additionally, all other locked words in the workspace will also be unlocked. For example, I am now pressing this button. Look, the word la has been unlocked and any other locked words have also been unlocked. But maybe we don't want all the other locked words to be unlocked. How can we solve this problem? The solution is, first, I will lock this word again. Now that we have finished working with the fatha and shadda symbols, simply select the locked word with the mouse. When you select it, the frame color around the word changes from gray to black. Then press this button. By pressing this button, only the word la will be unlocked. This explanation covered these three tools. Locking words can become even easier. We can perform all these steps using keyboard shortcuts as well. When the word la is in our way and becomes selected, we press the keyboard shortcut Shift-Z. By pressing this shortcut, the word la is immediately locked. At the end of the work, to unlock the word, we use the keyboard shortcut Shift-A. The names of the shortcuts for each tool are written on the tool itself. Just hover the mouse over the tool to see its explanation. To unlock only one word, we use the keyboard shortcut Shift-X. Locking letters and words is very useful because during design and working with words, many of them may overlap. This requires us to have sufficient mastery of the word locking tool.